When I started importation with like I think 10 to 20,000 naira. In fact, I think it is 10,000 naira. Yes, it is 10,000 naira. So with the shipping, everything sum up to around 20,000. I think it's like 18,000 naira then, because 1 kg is like I think 3,000 naira. So as you can see how cheap that is. So now, even with the inflation and everything, so if we bring that amount to the current price right now, I think that should sum up like 40,000 to 50,000 naira. So yes, the simple answer is yes, you can start importation with 50,000 naira. So what you just need to do is you need to know the product you want to get. And in this video, that is what I am going to be showing you guys, how to actually like find a cheap product to sell from China, guys. Yes, so if you don't know, there are a lot of cheap product that you can actually like buy from China, like, and you will make a lot of money. In fact, I prefer buying cheap products compared to like you buying freezer or fridge or washing machine or all those big products. In fact, I think the cheaper product makes you more money than all these big products. Yes, the big products can actually bring you the money at once. Like you will see the profit of like let's just say 100k or 150k at once. But don't neglect the cheap product, because you see that cheap product, you can sell like 50 pieces in a day. And if you sell that 50 pieces in a day, trust me, when you are doing your calculation, you will know that your profit will sum up to that kind of amount that you're going to be gaining, guys, if you are selling, let's just say, washing machine or freezer. So what you just need to do is you just need the right product, and I am going to be showing you how to find the right cheap product to sell from China, guys. So work with me and let us go onto my phone and let me show you guys.
So now I want to show you something. As you can see here, there are a lot of products right here, but I've actually located one product right here, and the product is this product. So now what you just need to do is just keep scrolling till you started seeing all these low price products, guys. And as you can see here, this price is so cheap. This is just 1.1 yuan. In fact, this price is also cheap, guys, but I will tell you to go for price within 1 yuan to 2 yuan. In fact, if you see a product less than 1 yuan, just go to like highest is 2 yuan. So that's just it. And as you can see here, this product is just 1.8 yuan. So now let's click on this product right here. So let's click on it. Good. So now if you get to this stage right here, so one thing I'll also tell you to do is that, as you can see, it's showing the pictures and everything. So if you actually buy this thing, you can actually make a lot of profit from these, guys, because I don't actually know how much this thing is sold, guys, but I'm sure it will be like 4,000 or 5,000 naira. So it just depends. So that's just it. So now for you to be seeing a lot of products in this niche, guys, what you just need to do is just keep scrolling up like this. As you can see here, they are giving you a product. As you can see here, this is also like a multi. Oh, let me go down. Sorry. So as you can see here, this product, guys, you can use it to chop different style. As you can see here, and it's sold for just 3 yuan. But like I said, we are looking for a product of less than 2 yuan. So let's keep scrolling. As you can see here, so this is 0.5. So this is 3. So this is 3. So this is 1. So this is how to actually find all these low quality product, low product, guys. So that's just how to look at it. So you can see here, this is a glove, guys, and you can see here 50 to 100 pieces, and it's sold for just 4 yuan. So you can actually buy this thing. In fact, you'll be selling one for like, let's just say 500 naira each. You know how much you are going to be making. So that's a lot of money, guys. So that's just it. Let's just keep scrolling. See, this is another one for 2 yuan. So this is another one for 0.7 yuan. It's because we actually like choose sieve. That's why we have a lot of sieve products here. As you can see here, this is also another one, guys. So this is a, oh sorry, I don't know why it's moving back. So this is a spoon, guys. You can actually order this spoon and you'll be selling it for set. You can see here, you can sell it 2 spoon, 2 fork, and 1 knife. It's sold for 1.84 yuan. So that's just it. See, just keep scrolling. See, filter bag for 0.45 yuan. So you can actually buy this at large quantity and you'll be selling it for like 4,000, 5,000 naira. In fact, 3,000, because after shipping this product now, this product is 0.45 yuan. So which tell you that this product should be like 100 naira or something. So with the shipping fee of this product will be like 500 naira, because you're going to be using sea shipping. So you're going to be like 500 naira, and you can sell it for like 1,500 or 2,000 naira for one. So now see the price. Like, I mean, look at the profit. that's like 1,005 per one. If you said one, that's 1,005. So now just times it times 50. In fact, 50 is too much. Let's just do like times 10. Let's say you are making like 10 order per day. You've already seen like 15,000 daily. So that's one of the things about all these products, guys. And also note that these products, like a lot of people are not buying them because like they don't buy them to sell. They just buy them to use at home. So that's what they use, guys. Like if they want to buy now, let's say we want to buy this product now, like most of them buy it for personal use. It's not that they buy it for sale. Anything they buy for sale, like it's always, the price is always expensive a bit. Let's just say like bags, like washing machine, like all those stuff, it's always like a little bit expensive. So a lot of people just abandon all these like low products, guys, all these low price products. A lot of people abandon it and they don't know that this is where the real money is, guys, because that is actually what I'm doing. I'm selling a low price product and I'm making a lot of money from it. So that's just it. So now let me scroll again. So you can see, oh, this is high priced. So we're already going to high price now. So now let's go up. Let's just click on one product right here. So now let's click on this. Good. So let's click on this. So if let's say you don't find any product you actually like there, just keep scrolling down. So now when you scroll down, you come to this top shop, guys. So now you click on this arrow right here. So now let's click on the arrow. Good. Good. It's loading. Let's wait a minute. Good. Now it has loaded. As you can see here, these are another product in that category, guys. And as you can see here, these products are less than is 2 yuan. These products are less than 2 yuan. As you can see the price. So all these filters right here, you see filters right here. So all these things are actually very cheap, guys. As you can see here, you can buy them at large quantity and you start selling, guys. So that's just it. It's not that hard. So it's not that hard. As I said, this is like a flip, stainless steel flip. So this thing, they usually use it to like flip pancake or something like that. You can buy it at large quantity and just list the product on Jumia, guys. So I sell on Jumia too. So I know what I'm saying, guys. I know what I'm talking about. You can just list this on Jumia and start selling, guys. So you just forget it there. So you just have order, then you deliver. So that's just easy. See, let's just keep scrolling. So all these things, I don't actually know the use of it, guys, but you can actually like screenshot and to find how useful it is. So in fact, all these household item sells a lot. You see, household item, fashion, just go for that product. Any product that is household item and fashion, those are the most selling, guys. So just go for those products, guys. So now that's just it. Good. As you can see here, this is also the product. So I actually talked about this product on my channel before, this exact product, guys. Like you can start importing this and make a lot of money. Like I said, this thing prevents cockroaches from the bedroom, guys. So a lot of people will actually want it, guys, because like it solves cockroach problem. So that's just it. So as you can see here, you can also get this thing. You can put your phone inside. So a lot of people that go to swimming and everything will actually need this. So what you just need to do is you just need to make research, and you will see. So as you can see here, see another one, windproof mask winter. So all these products are right here. It is you that you need to make research, and you will actually see the one that you actually like, that you will go for. So that's just it. You can see here, this is like a garlic, you see, garlic cutter. So you can actually get all these things for cheap, guys. You see, if you keep scrolling, you'll be seeing all these prices, guys. Like for 0.55, 0.51 yuan, that's just it. So you'll be seeing a lot of product for this amount. So let's just keep scrolling. As you can see here, we are still scrolling, guys. As you can see here, this is kitchen faucet filter. So let me scroll it, guys. So as you can see here, kitchen faucet filter. So you can just get this thing. It will filter the water. So see, just so many products to talk about, guys. It is you that you just need to make research, guys. So that's just it. Buy this product. You can buy like 100 pieces to 200 pieces, then you will ship them, because you can see here, like most of them are just small products. So it's not that they have one big size or weight. So you can just start selling them, import it to your country, guys, and you ship, like you clear it, use the remaining amount to clear it, and you start making money. So that's just it, guys. So if you have any question at all, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to be answering you guys. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you've learned one or two information here, and I'll see you in the next one.